Diane in Denmark here, rah, 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 and welcome back. It is day 8 of our 2026 reset. If you missed a couple of days or just starting, don't worry about catching up. Just jump in where we are today. There's no list checking, there's no printing out, no special equipment. You just do today's task. We're making life a wee bit better and just getting on with things. So what are we doing today? As usual, I'm holding your hand. I'm giving you specific instructions because that's what really helped me when I was so chaotic, as I've mentioned many times, super organized at work. The house was a mess. Things were messy, dirty, didn't know what I was supposed to be doing. So anyway, here it comes for today. What I would like you to do is, I'm going to do it as well, a 5-minute reset of one room in your house. And you're just going to take a timer for 10 minutes. Here we are, trusty timer. And just do as much as you can in that room. And in that room, it could be, your kitchen, it could be the living room, your office, your bedroom. You're just going to, pick things up and put them away, do a poopa. P-U-P-A, pick things up and put them away. If it's the living room, maybe you just need to plump up the cushions a bit, clear a few items off the table that have maybe wandered there in the last couple of days. We're just doing a little quick room reset. We are not beginning to wash curtains and reorganize drawers and move the furniture. We're just making it look a little better because it only takes a few minutes, and as I've mentioned in last week's videos, you don't need to be spending a whole afternoon on this. These are things that you can do when you come home from the office or just before you start cooking dinner in the evening. It's only to be a few minutes. We're making things a little bit better just in a few minutes. And as usual, if you can't do 5 minutes today, then do 3 minutes. Stand up and do 2 minutes and do 1 minute later on. Just do what feels right for you. And if you want to comment, I love reading through the comments of seeing the little wins that you're getting. Let me know in the comments where you are, what time you're watching the video. And remember, keep taking breaks and keep taking the tartan tablets, as we used to say many years ago. Keep taking breaks, and I'll send you off on your merry way with a wee pom-pom shake. So are you ready? Rah, rah, rah. And see you back here at the kitchen table tomorrow.